Michelle Gomez portrays Madame Satan. Michelle Gomez portrays Madame Satan. Some demonic dealings may occur. Some demonic dealings may occur. Riverdale can't stop dropping Sabrina Easter eggs. The series won't have a crossover with Riverdale. The series is being compared to other horror heavy hitters. The series is being compared to other horror heavy hitters. Lucy Davis and Miranda Otto play Sabrina's aunts. Lucy Davis and Miranda Otto play Sabrina's aunts. Kiernan Shipka stars as Sabrina. Kiernan Shipka stars as Sabrina. The teaser poster dropped in July 2018. The teaser poster dropped in July 2018. The first trailer came out in September 2018. Netflix released the second trailer in October. Netflix released the second trailer in October.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.